In this video, we are going to talk about US standard products on using personal protective equipment, PPE, to promote safety and prevent injury. In a variety of industries, the proper use of personal protective equipment, PPE, is critical to ensuring workplace safety. When it comes to workplace injuries, while modern medicine and even a well-stocked first aid kit can assist in the management of many of them, it is always ideal to take adequate preventative measures to limit the likelihood of injuries occurring in the first place. Pictograms perform important services, such as alerting people to the existence of hazardous items and emergency exits, among other things. Personal protection equipment, on the other hand, is a preventative step that should never be ignored. US Standard Products is a market-leading distributor of high-performance and environmentally friendly chemicals for the industrial and janitorial markets, with operations in the United States and Canada. Their environmentally friendly goods contribute to the creation of healthier, safer, and more productive working conditions for their employees. In order to safeguard not only the environment, but also the personal health and well-being of individuals who handle their products, US Standard Products is devoted to doing so without compromising product quality or performance. They recommend a number of personal protective equipment, PPE, to increase safety and prevent injury. 1. Protective clothing. When it comes to clothes, every business has its own set of criteria, such as the need for fluorescent jackets or clothing made of strong fibers or materials that are resistant to particular elements. Always make sure that your employees are dressed appropriately for the job when they arrive at your place of business. Employers, on the other hand, must ensure that their employees are fully informed about the requirements for safety clothing and must never let an employee to perform potentially hazardous duties if they are not wearing the appropriate apparel. 2. Head protection. Our heads are among the most crucial objects to safeguard, primarily because they are where our brains are housed. When working in an area where there are inherent safety dangers, it is consequently critical that staff wear helmets or other suitable headgear. Helmets are now designed to be adaptable to a variety of job conditions, and they are available in a wide range of shapes and configurations. 3. Protection for hands and feet. Gloves are especially crucial while working with potentially hazardous materials. Gloves are an important part of personal protective equipment, and US Standard Products acknowledges this. Gloves can provide protection against potentially hazardous objects including sharp edges, chemicals, severe temperatures, and bacterial hazards. Foot protection is also quite vital, and the type of protection required will vary depending on the industry in which one is employed. Safety shoes and boots, SB, S1 S5, for example, can protect feet from being crushed by heavy objects. Slips and falls can also be avoided by wearing appropriate foot protection, such as anti-skid soles or snow and ice claws on your shoes or boots. 4. Protect your lungs. The fact that humans cannot exist without air is all the more reason to wear personal protective equipment, PPE, to guarantee optimal lung function. Toxic particles such as dust, chemical vapors, and smoke can all be harmful to our lungs, but protective masks can help to prevent these harmful particles from entering our respiratory system. When working with highly hazardous compounds, full face masks, which stick securely to the face, would be required in order to reach appropriate levels of safety. 5. Protect your senses. It's easy to take our senses for granted until they are no longer functional. Eye injuries can be caused by a variety of factors, including intense light, radiation, chemicals, and sparks. These injuries can be readily avoided by wearing suitable safety glasses or goggles. Similarly, if you work in an area where you are exposed to high sound volumes, earplugs or earmuffs can help to reduce the pressure on your ears. PPE Training US Standard Products recommends that, in addition to the use of the aforementioned personal protective equipment, employees get regular workplace training to underline the necessity of PPEs in maintaining workplace safety and preventing harm. So, that's it for today's video. What are your thoughts on our video? Please let us know in comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification to our channel before you go. Thank you so much for watching.